Last week, I searched for sneakers once and now my entire feed is full of sneaker ads. Well, that's not just collecting data, but using it to act. Which brings us to our today's topic, understanding business analytics. Chirag, over to you.
Thanks, Chaitanya. This is a classic example because that's exactly what business analytics look like. In part 1, we spoke about data analytics and who is it for and how it's the backbone for decision making. Now let's talk about what businesses do with that information. While these two fields are related, business analytics is all about using data to make better business decisions. It's more focused on using that data to forecast what might happen next, testing out different business strategies, improve how things run, and basically help a company work smarter. It's not about just looking at the numbers. It's about how to make that number work for you. And we talk about charts, dashboard in this space. They are not just for reports. They help teams actually see the story that data is telling you. So they know where to invest, what to fix, and who to target. So if data analytics help you to understand what's going on, then business analytics help you to decide what to do about it.
Right. So there's clear difference between both these courses. Well, it's subtle at first, but when you break it down like this, it's pretty clear. Any relevant background required for these two courses, Chirag?
Exactly. While having a relevant academic background does help. The good news is that university in UK Ireland offer great foundation courses, especially if you are coming from a different stream. So it's not a closed door at all.
Well, to be honest, I'm pretty sure that's a huge relief to a lot of students. Chirag, you know we meet so many students on day-to-day basis who are from multiple backgrounds, science, commerce, arts, you name it. And they're confused, which is the right fit, whether it's business analytics or it's data analytics. So for those students, what would you like to suggest? Which course should they go for?
Well, choosing between the two really depends on what kind of work excites you more. If you're someone who enjoys coding, digging into raw data, and working with tools to pull data out from different sources, then data analytics might be for you, as it's more technical and involves a lot of hands-on programming. On the other hand, if you are more into analyzing trends, solving business problems, making decisions based on data, then business analytics is likely a better fit. It leans more towards statistics, strategy, and applying insights to real business situations. Also, knowing how to code is important in business analytics, but it's essential in data analytics. That's one of the big differences in terms of what student will need to learn.
Well, Chirag, thank you so much. I'm pretty sure it was very helpful for all the students who are watching this right now. And if you're still unsure which course is the right fit for you, drop us a comment or reach out to us directly in our DMs and we are